Hey guys, it's me, Tricky here, or Auntie Tricky, whichever one you prefer. Anyway, I just wanted to show you, I'm about to make a transformation. Okay, this is my mama necklace. I got this from my bestie Racine. It's from a company called Benevolent, and part proceeds go to women in need. And it's mama, it's so cute. She gave it to me after I had Stevie. Anyway, whatever. Hi, I'm here to show you my transformation. So I actually got a goodie bag from MAC. Yeah, they must have feel sorry for me. They must have said, boy, Traci always looks so stink compared to her sister Jodi. Make we give her something so she can glam up a little bit. God no, I don't know if I even know what the hell is in these things. First of all, they gave me this cleanse off oil Hule demaquil. Oh, that's the, I guess that's the French rate. Cleanse off oil. Okay, so I'm not going to use this now. That is for later when I'm cleaning off the makeup. They also gave me demi wipes. I guess that is for later too. They might prepare me for take the makeup off. They said, Traci, you can't go to bed with the makeup on. You must take your makeup off. Okay, Mac, I understand. And they gave me some lipsticks, some travel exclusive lipsticks. So apparently these colored lipsticks are only available in the Caribbean, however you want to say it. These colors are only available in the Caribbean, and if you don't get them in the Caribbean, you can't got them. So, very exciting stuff. Let us see. Oh my gosh. Oh, I guess I can do that. Why do I have to open everything so awkwardly from the bottom? Like, honestly, Trey, just stop being so excited and be a normal human being. Open from the top. Alright, so this one is Whirl, this one is Diva, this one is Rebel. Let us see. I'm not really a lipstick girl, you know. I'm not really a makeup girl, so I can't really say nothing. Okay, let's see. Not bad. I guess by the time I put on my concealer. Oh, I mean, these bags, they don't make anything look good though. Oh, I'm gonna use one of the wipes and wipe it off. Wipe it off. Wipe it off. So that one was what? Whirl. This is really unfair. I should really be putting it on with makeup on, because honestly, nothing is going to look good on my... These wipes smell good. They smell like foreign. This one is Rebel. Proper makeup wipe off. Ah! Okay. Oh, this looks nice. Yes, I like Rebel. All right, maybe I'll use Rebel when I'm finished my makeup. Okay. Oh, these wipes smell like foreign, man. Loving it. They don't taste very good, but I don't think they're edible, so that's okay. This one is Diva. Oh. Like a deep red. I love how I put my lipstick on like with these two triangles there. What is that? I like Diva too. I might wear Diva today. Yes, Papa. Mac, you're coming with the goodies for me. Yes, Papa, me like it. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Okay. So today is between Rebel and Diva. It depends on how I feel after my eyes. Okay. Alright guys, what else Mac sent me? Mac sent me mascara, 3D dimension mascara. I love mascara. I love mascara. Well, I love lashes on a whole, and Jodi used this lash serum and it made her lashes so long. But unfortunately, I can't use a lash serum because I have green eyes, and the lash serum will potentially change the color of your eyes. Me not change for green eyes for nothing, girl. No. Oh, and then they gave me this, which is Perm Me Up Lash. I don't even know how to use this. Maybe I think I'll use this before I put on the lashes. Mascara volume. We'll try a thing. And this is a Prolong Paint Pot. What is, Papa? I don't know what this is. Painterly Paint Pot. What is this? Oh my gosh, I think I have to go and watch like a YouTube video and figure out what is this paint pot. Let me use Stevie's blanket to try and open this up because it's locked real tight. I saw something on the internet about these paint pots, you know. I think they're like eyeshadow. I think they're creamy eyeshadows. Oh, it's very pretty though. Like, but you can't see it. It's almost the same color as me. It's very nice. I think you use it like to cut the crease and stuff like that. Yeah, well, I'll try that today. And I also got a brown brush stroke 24-hour liner. Let's see. Okay. Let's try. That's what Mac gave me. We can try some of their stuff. I usually use MAC Studio Fix. Those are 3 other Studio Fixes I opened. All the same color, by the way. And I do my face like that with that. But here, let me show you guys around a little bit more. Yeah. I always start. Did I put my sunblock on? I think I did. I think I did before I started with you guys. Yeah. Okay. So then the first thing I do is I go in with my MAC concealer. By the way, this is heaven to me, as you're going to see in 2.5 seconds. I was born with really dark bags, and it got worse as I was older because of my sinuses. And now with Stevie, it's just, they've gone out of control. So I use my concealer like nobody's business. Actually, I shouldn't even record this video and make people see me without concealer on, because nobody will believe how bad my bags are. Nobody. I even wear concealer to the beach. Yeah, I do. I don't shame to say it. And I do because if I'm going to go and I'm going to have like, I know I'm going to go and have pictures taken or whatever, and I'll wear concealer and then I'll put like a little face powder on over it, because you have to blend in the line from the concealer to where your face powder is, you know? So yeah, sometimes I wear concealer to the beach. Not all the time. Like if I'm on my family vacation, I'm not going to wear it, but them don't know some ugly already. The family knows some ugly. Yeah. Anyway, so then I come in with my MAC Studio Fix. All of these Studio Fixes are the exact same color. I have 3 of the exact same color, and they're all almost done. So what I really do now is I go through and I vibes it out which one I'm actually going to use today, which one of the dunnage I want to use today. So today I want to use this dunnage. So the reason why I don't finish one is because I'm going to actually have to let go if I finish one and throw it away. And I feel that in letting go, I'm going to have to let go of those memories that face powder went with too.
Oh, okay. Oh, you crazy.
Just leave me alone, man. Leave me alone. That is how I want to do it, okay? If I want to keep my garbage hanging around, that is fine. Don't see why you guys have to be all up on me. Like you come. Would you like to come and clean up my drawer and organize it for me? I would love that, because if you would like to do that, I have a couple places that you can come and clean out.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Okay, looking good. Yeah, girl. Yeah, you. Okay. And the next thing that I am going to do right now is, and I have this MAC bronzer. Okay, I bought this when I was in boarding school. So that's just a few years ago, just a few. By the way, it has lasted me since boarding school till now. And if I open it up, it is still full. It's crazy. It's like Jesus and the fish, Traci and the bronzer. It's just never ending. Crazy. Anyway, I'll use this at the end. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to come in with this thing, and I put it on right here to kind of darken up my forehead so it don't look, what you call this again? It's not highlight, it's contour. So I do this so that my forehead doesn't look so big, and then still look big. Anyway, make me feel good. It makes me feel good. Okay. I wish Mac could send me some eyeshadows. But I'm gonna just go in with my Tarte collection. And actually my good friend Marla bought this for me. She bought it for me for Christmas like years ago. And if it wasn't for Marla, I would have no eyeshadow. That's a lie. My sister-in-law gave me an eyeshadow to when she came over, so I had one palette. She gave me this one. It's a Kylie Jenner eyeshadow palette. She felt sorry for me too. Alright, so these are my brushes from Spice. As you can see, I barely use them, but today them get a bust. So I'm gonna go in with this one. It's tightly packed, and I am going to go in on my eyes with I forgot to use this guy by MAC. So this is the Painterly Paint Pot, and it is like what I saw from the video that I watched. It is like a primer for the eyes, or you can use it to cut the crease. I'm just going to use it as a primer because I don't know about cutting crease today. That don't sound like something that I'm going to venture into today. But they come in many different colors. They're like cream eyeshadows. That's exactly what they are. They're cream eyeshadows. You know, but everybody has to get into these fancy cut the crease and whatever terminology they want to use. I mean, seriously. I'm sure that they were cutting crease in Dolly Parton's day. Dolly Parton cut crease long time. Then I'm gonna go in with a color that is pretty neutral. So I'm gonna try and do the look that Jodi did in her last video of surgery update. It's a very neutral tone. I'm looking up because I actually have the YouTube. I actually have the YouTube video up on pause there. And that's what I'm looking at to see what makeup she did and try and emulate that. So it looks like she did a neutral base, so I'm just gonna do that. So I'm using a tightly packed brush because I find, I don't know if this is correct, when I use the tightly packed brushes, and when I say tightly packed, like this is a tightly packed brush, but this is looser, right? This is tightly packed, and you can kind of feel it. It doesn't, whatever. Just use a brush that has a lot of bristles and feels stiff. All right. Okay, that look good. I just use a little neutral color there. And then I'm going to go with a looser packed brush. I'm just wiping that off on the same little dirty. No, Mac, give me things. May I go use it? Yeah. I'm gonna wipe it off on this just to clean it as I go along. Is that something that you do? Because I just think that that's a cool idea. If it's not, like, maybe you guys can look into you doing it. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to use a darker color, but not like the darkest color, but a darker color. And I'm going to go, Jodi has it like in the creases right here. You see how that's a little bit darker? And then I guess you should like blend it out. So hold on, when you're blending out, you hold your brush at the tip so you don't get too much pressure. That looks good. And then I think she has another color on there, which is an even darker brown. So I'm going to try and do that too. But I'm going to go in with one that has a little bit of shimmer on it. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. That looks good. That don't look bad. That don't look too bad. Yeah. That look nice. Yeah. Alright. It looks like she has like some white there. I don't know if it's white or what, but it looks very light on top of the eyes there now. Oh, I don't know if I want to venture with that. That looks like it was professional. I'm going to use a different brush. I'm going to use this brush. And I'm going to try this. She looks like she has like a lighter color in here, like that. Maybe I should put some underneath my eye. I remember her saying in one of her videos that somebody was complaining that she was a completer look because she was put stuff underneath her eye. So let me try that. I think maybe she did that too. Okay. Oh, and I need to do right here. I know she does this one. Oh man. Oh, I do not like that. Oh, I don't like that. Maybe I can just take that out with this, with the MAC rag I've been using. Oh man, I messed up. Oh man, I have messed up. Let me see if I can fix it with my MAC pot. Oh man, do you see how I messed up? Oh, all right, hold on, let me just try and put this back. Oh wow, this is looking disastrous. Okay, all right, it's okay. Don't worry. It's okay, don't worry. MAC won't let me down. Let's brush, just try and blend this back in. All right, okay, we're back in business. I fixed it. Okay, this one needs to blend out a little more. Okay, woo! That was close. All right, and then Jodi does a winged liner. So I'm going to use the brown thing that MAC sent me. Brown liner. Okay, steady yourself. Okay, so Jodi said that you should do your line like that. Do you see it? Okay, I'm gonna do my other line. Oh, that one is higher. Okay. All right, it's okay. Okay, just put it in my eye. Okay, whatever. So I did it like that. And then Jodi says, pull the eye. Fix the line. And then she goes down with it. And makes a triangle. How does that look? Does it look bad? Does it look bad? Maybe I should ask him, does it look good? Okay, and then I'm gonna do underneath the eye too. How does it look? Does it look okay? Alright, let's try this one. So she says pull the eye and then do a triangle going down like so, and then O-S-H-I-T. Oh my. Okay, push it down. But I must say that this pen is really easy to work with. I'll definitely be buying this. It is the Brush Brown Brushstroke 24-hour liner. And it is very easy to work with because I am... Actually, this eye looks good now that I've rested and I'm looking at it. This eye looks good and it is very easy to work with. I am no makeup professional. I mean, I do have a steady hand, I will say that. But considering I have never really free-handed a winged liner before, I always use tape, as you guys know. This has been very easy. Very, very, very easy. Okay, I'm gonna get under here. And the little tip is so pointed that getting this line underneath my eye, honestly, is no problem. Yeah, I think that looked good. And I've never used brown before either. So this is new for me too, using brown. Usually I always use black, but they sent me brown, so that's why I'm using the brown. But it looks good. This eye is higher than this eye, but we're just gonna cut our losses. Rasta George, my foot is asleep. Where's the cover for this? Oh, see there? Okay. My foot is asleep. Okay, so my eyes are done. Nope, that's not true. I have the Extended Play Perm Me Up Lash. And this is the In Extreme 3D Lash. I don't know what the... Oh! Okay, well, let's use one on one and one on the other and see what the difference is. So this is the Rasta George. What is this called? In Extreme Dimension 3D Lash. So I'm going to use this one on this eye. So you go from the bottom and you wiggle your way up. Go from the bottom and you wiggle your way up. Wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. And then just work the lash. Well, that's how I usually do my lashes with my old mascara. I don't know if you can see that, but there we have it. Let's get a close up on that 3D lash there. Okay. Okay. And this is the Perm Me Up Lash, which is kind of has a curved thingy. Oh, this one does more individual lash kind of thing. But this one is definitely a softer look, the Perm Me Up Lash. It's not as clumpy. Is clumpy the right word? As the other lash. You see what I'm saying? Like, this one is definitely a softer look than that lash is. So I'm gonna use this one on my bottom lashes because I like a softer look on my bottom lashes. Yeah. And it kind of individually combs them out. So that's a nice look for my bottom lashes, actually. I'm keeping this for my bottom lashes. And then I'm gonna do the Perm Me. I'm gonna do the 3D extension on my top lashes because I like when my top lashes look really, really, really full. I love mascara, actually. There was this lady and they called her Spider Lash Lady. I love her lashes. If you ever look it up on YouTube, you're gonna like, no, Trey, no. But yes, I love when they're like clumpy and super, super, super black. Maybe the Perm Me Up is supposed to use before because see, look, I used the Perm Me Up before on that one and you see how they look so much more defined. Maybe it's supposed to use it before. I don't know. Mac should have sent an instruction booklet for me. Okay. Yeah. I think that looks good. Okay. That not bad. That not bad at all. The next thing that I do is I put on my bronzer. So where is that bronzer that I showed you of? Did I show you my MAC bronzer that I've had since college? I bought this when I was at Ridley College. and it's still done. It is like still there, still going strong. Do you see how much is in there? I've had that since college. Crazy, right? Crazy. Okay, I have some blush. The top fell off. Just pull it out the drawer. I have some blush. I put it on like that, just like that, and then I go with my bronzer. That is that. And then now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. This is very important. Okay, let me pack away some of this stuff because I'm getting very crowded on this table here. Pack away some of my brushes by Spice. Bye. The Spice brushes are really nice, actually. They're really nice. Okay, and I'm gonna do my eyebrows now. So I just go in. This is a LA Girl Brow Bestie. And I actually do have pretty nice eyebrows. I have a scar right here, so the shadowing always looks a little bit weird right there. I have a scar. But anyway, so I just go in with my eyebrow pencil, and I literally just go around my eyebrows just to strengthen the shape. I do some coloring in. See? Like I just go around. And then that's where my scar is. My girlfriend Tiffany Sams, she pushed me into a door. Yes, Tiffany is also Stevie's godmother. She pushed me into the door, and we were in grade 5 and got a scar. I will always remember her. Well, she's a big part of my life. Tiffany is a big part of my life, and she's been an excellent friend throughout the years. I just love her. I just love Tiffany. Okay. And then I go with the end of the stick. It has a spoolie. And I just comb it in to soften it up. Comb it in to soften it up. That is that. There are 2 hairs on the top of my eyebrow that are just annoying me. I mean, there's a lot of other hairs that need to pluck, but these 2 are annoying me. And then we are done. No, we're not done. I have lipstick to put on. Which one do you think I should do? I don't usually wear brown lipstick. I don't usually wear brown. I mean, I don't usually wear lipstick at all, so the brown was kind of freaking me out. But here, I'll do this one. No, I didn't want to do Rebel. I wanted to do Diva. No, was it Diva? It was the kind of more ready one. Yeah, I think it was Diva. Anyway, yeah, that's my look. Let's see. Not bad. Not tree bad. Come on. It looks very similar to Jodi's surgery update video, except she has on a lighter colored lip. But Mac never give me light colored lips, so I'm gonna give me dark color. I'm just going to gel up my hair a little bit. And yeah, guys, I think I look good. Let's do my hair. My mommy braided it up for me yesterday. There's no water in this water bottle, did you know? Okay. It's alright, that's the spring. Yeah, but I feel like if I just gel up my hair, and yeah, mommy braided it for me yesterday because, you know, I washed it and then I didn't really have time to curl it up or anything. And it's all fuzzy, so. Oh my gosh, all of the pins just spilled out in my drawer. That is a drawer that you guys need to come and help me clean up, because this drawer I need to clean up for a long time and I just don't do it. What am I doing? Alright guys, there you have it. This is my little look for today. I think it's cute. Thanks Mac, thank you for my stuff. I really love them. I've never used a brown liner before, but I definitely like it. It gives like a lighter look, more daytimey. Let's see if I can get into a different light and see how it looks. And thank you mommy for the light in Stevie's room is always nice. Here we go. Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. Yeah. Alright guys, that's my look. Thank you Mac. Okay, bye.